Aloha guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I did an unboxing video of my first ever Fin Fun mermaid tail. Now it's not my first tail because I made my first tail, and to be honest that didn't work out too well. But this is my first professional mermaid tail. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I will see you in the outro. Bye! I'm not used to being in front of people when I'm recording.
Okay, whenever you're ready, I stroke. Just so you know, the video that I recorded was on my YouTube channel. Oh, do they have my twin sister, Mermaid Cake, and gave her first mermaid tail.
Well, when we get back to the resolution,
That's some strong tape.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
don't mess up with the box either.
That won't be necessary.
I just need to say.
My mom will be back soon, and there's
No,
my
that's
brother.
just fake tape.
Gonna find my dad.
Look at that. That's just fake
That's
tape.
my brother.
Say-
And then that's
Oh,
my
what?
sister, Mermaid
Yeah.
Cake.
It's good to be positive and keep it making rational. We need you. We need you.
I want to open the entire box. Cause see, it's designed.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't gonna cut it.
So it's sliding nothing like this and split down like
Okay,
this.
I'll do that while you're getting the tail out.
You know
Okay, here's the monofin. There's the monofin. Got the
That should be your
monofin.
seed. Yeah.
This here.
Video is not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah, totally not sponsored by Fin Fun.
But the company is Fin Fun.
Oh,
I think my dad
Brady's-
saw him when he risked
Brady's
his
watching.
life to save everyone.
Okay,
I don't know.
I'm gonna open
Person to do that.
the monofin first.
Yeah, she is live on Instagram.
Monofin. Okay, my first ever mermaid tail. And I'm just gonna tear up the sticker.
Do you know who writes those stories?
Oh, refillable bag.
Survivors.
I ain't throwing that away.
Take that to pool if you really.
They had a backpack for sale.
Oh wow.
So,
Whoa. That it's got like
this
fabric
is
covering.
the safety and care stop read for use. I'll read that later.
There's two holes.
Yeah. The box is so pretty.
Here's the inside of the box.
Here, hold it up behind me. Look at it. Everyone deserves to dream. I love that.
Let's go.
Look at it. It's like bigger than I am. I love that. And I love how it's got the mermaidens on there.
Yeah. That's cool.
And the monofin.
Here it is.
Got it. Just the footholds.
Mermaidens, which is made.
Warning, use only under adult supervision. I am an
I
adult.
should close this one out.
Okay, and now for the tail skin.
And that's
I
the.
love the shells on here.
That's what the
Dream,
majestic
believe.
monarch or something.
Yeah. Dream, believe, smile, swim. Be you, imagine, create, inspire, love, play. Oh my gosh, so many inspirational words on there. Oh, and it's got the reinforced tips. Yay!
That comes in pretty much all of them, if I remember correctly.
Oh, look at the shimmery spots on it.
Yeah. And you got this
Oh.
because of the purple butterfly and the NICU,
Yep. Thank you, Purple Butterfly.
which I will probably do
Oh
a
my
video
gosh.
later explaining what
Oh my
the purple
gosh.
butterfly is for all my viewers.
And the reinforced tips.
You know why the
I want to
tips are
try this
reinforced?
on right now so bad.
It's so that when she's using it in the water and stuff, the monofin won't wear through
The skin won't wear through. If you kick on the bottom of the pool,
the.
it won't wear the tail out as quickly.
So it's just to help make the tail last a
Oh
little
my
longer.
gosh, it's got little spots on it that shimmer in the light, and it looks like scales, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless right now. I'm holding an actual mermaid tail in my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to put the monofin in it.
While you're putting the monofin in,
Oop.
explain what the purple butterfly radicule is. For those of us who don't know.
It's for twins who had a twin in the womb, but the twin died. So, oh gosh, how do I... This is the fun part.
Trying to put the monofin in.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure this out. This is my first time doing this. Hang on. Let's read. Okay. That's...
Can I try putting my
I know,
feet in the
it's-
monofin?
I want to be the first one to put my feet in the monofin. You can wait, sis.
But it's cool because it's got this. It's what is it? What kind of fabric is it?
I think it's neoprene.
Neoprene or something. So it's like the material that
Yeah.
diving
Yeah, it's neoprene.
diver suits are made out of.
Okay.
So all my subscribers
But
get
I
to
wanna
watch
put this
you do
on.
this.
Okay. I'm gonna...
You guys are wondering what the little sound is. Whenever I back up, it's because I'm sitting in a chair.
Wow, this is kind of hot.
It's supposed to be.
I know it's supposed to be.
And there's one foot.
Actually, it's
No,
not all the
quite.
way in yet, Cameron.
There it
No.
is.
There's one foot in. Now she gets to do the other.
Ow, my butt's cramping up.
Thought your thought is your hip.
It was right there in between my hip, my thigh. Right there in that joint.
All your viewers on both of your social
Wow,
media
they-
can only see your head.
Yeah.
They don't even
my
see your
head.
face right now. They only see the top of your head.
Birdie said I've been acknowledged.
Yeah.
I'm a professional
And
videographer.
Who wants to do with her? Her YouTube.
oh my gosh. We're going swimming after this, right?
Yeah, sure. I will film it.
For my first, for videoing my first swim in a mermaid's tail.
Yeah.
I can't wait to do my first photo shoot in it.
Can I use my camera?
This is a little weird after wearing fins with foot pockets, and this don't have a feet pockets.
Oops. Sorry.
My feet are in there with plastic. I can see my toes. Look. It's open down there, so you can replace the plastic piece on the inside
She break it.
if it gets broke.
Okay,
Well, it's an easy slot out.
Now you
Yeah. There's a quick release
Sure.
method.
I'm showing them closer look at the
Oh, gotcha.
It's like got almost like plastic.
It's sort of like a plasticky rubber. See? You can tell a difference between the tail tip. Let's move over to YouTube. Between the tail tip and where the protector isn't. And now I'm gonna try and put this together.
Need extra hands.
Just stretch right over. There's
And
one side.
The reason that it's like an easy flip out is in case something like goes wrong while you're under the water, you can just easily shed the tail, right?
There we go. Monofin's in.
I was talking to Kristen, but she's Dorothy.
Yeah, Cameron.
Cameron. Right
It's in!
I was trying to explain that for
And now I want to put it on, but... yeah, I know. So when we get home, I'm going to use the hose. Rinse it all out.
here. Make sure you draw 'em.
Yeah, I'm going to hang them up and draw 'em.
And then it says all the washing instructions on the tag.
I did my research.
Yeah, she did all of her research before this happened, so.
I'm going to put it on my feet.
And so here we go.
I think it's gonna be interesting watching her try to put it in, like put the monofin on.
That's what I was thinking.
She's gonna be smart about it. She's gonna put it all the way down.
Hey, like I said, I did
She
my
fooled
research.
us.
It's like pantyhose, I guess. You just roll it all the way down, then put your feet in, and then slide it up.
She fooled us, Mom.
Uh-huh.
She said, y'all just watch this.
She does that sometimes.
She said, watch
I
this
turned
right
this
here.
again. Give me a minute.
Put your left foot all the way in.
I'm wearing tight shorts.
Put your left foot all the way in.
Yeah, Cameron. It's all the way in.
It'd be her right foot.
No, it's my left foot.
Oh, wait. This is my right. My right foot's in.
Good.
Left foot isn't.
And he fooled her.
I got my left and my right confused.
I'm used to getting my left and right confused because I tend to learn choreographies without mirrored versions. And so I have to watch it and make sure that I'm moving the correct limb at the correct time.
Oh my god.
I'll stand up and put it on.
Over top of my shorts. My pedometer.
I'll put it on.
It's actually just a little bit big. See? Oh my god.
So,
Yay!
my mom and brother.
My transformation is complete. I am now a full mermaid.
I want to see you walk with that.
You don't walk in it. It wears it out quicker.
Yeah, that's why if she puts it on, she has to make sure she puts it on like at the edge of the pool.
Oh wait,
or
Kate can't
at the edge of
lift
the
me.
water.
I was gonna ask him to pick me up.
The one whose phone that is, it's mom's fiance.
I'll go get that out. I know how to pose in it. Mama, you can stop it and turn it around.
It's okay.
I wanted to do
She's a
this.
toboggan.
And you. I'm gonna end the video here.
She's one of those sleds.
Thanks for watching.
One of those toboggan
And I'll
sleds.
see you guys in the next video. Leave a like. Subscribe.
I've seen some mermaids
Very
that
much.
look so big that they come over and you can just grab the tips.
Yours is almost like that.
But those mermaids have full silicone tails.
Oh, silicone's the one that sucks to them, right?
It's a little tougher to get on. You gotta use baby oil.
Wait.
Oh, Brady left. Oh, no, he's back.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Brady left and then came back. Oh, he left again. He probably had to check Snapchat or something.
His Wi-Fi hasn't been the best lately.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in the next video, which may be coming out today. Maybe.
You will always be
I'll see you guys later.
There's no
Bye.
doubt in my mind. You will always be the